Good morning to all. Hi, I am here with you to discuss that of the important points from the chapter genetics, and we will deal with that of the important points. It will really helpful for that of the NEET students. Okay, then first point. Who is father of genetics? Okay, it is Gregor Johann Mendel. So first is mentioning about the Mendel, and he is known as to be what? Father of genetics. So who is father of genetics? It is Gregor Johann Mendel. Then there are some important years which is given in that of the NCERT textbook, and it will be required for that of the preparation for NEET. So he born in. So we are discussing about what the important years of regarding with that of the Mendel. So in 1822 he was born. Where? In Austria. Then he started his experiment in 1856. He started the experiment. Then he completed the experiment in 1863. Clear? In 1863 he completed the experiment, and he published that experiment in 1865. You all know he done the experiment on Pisum sativa. What is Pisum sativa? Yeah, it is pea plant. He done the experiment that of the Pisum sativum pea plant. Okay. In 1865, he published it. In 1884, he died. Okay. These are the important years while regarding that of the Mendel's experiment. Clear? And the rediscovery of this experiment is happened in that of the 1900 by Karl Correns, von Schellmark, and Hugo de Vries. These three are the important personalities, okay, important scientists, okay, which mentioning about the rediscovery of this Mendel's experiment in 1900. Okay. Next is about mutation theory. Next point. Okay. So it is first point, second point, then third point is about mutation theory. Mutation theory. This mutation theory is by Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries. And he done, okay, Hugo de Vries done his experiment basis of that of on the basis of mutation in Enothera lamarckiana. Enothera lamarckiana. Okay. Fourth point is about branch of genetics, and it is by W. Bateson. Another W. Bateson. His branch of genetics. Then fifth point is about the term allele. Okay, allele. What we mean allele? Yeah, if we are representing that of a character such as height. Yeah, TT or TT. Small t here. The capital T representing that of the what? Yeah, tall. And small t representing what? Dwarf. And these two are the character of height. Clear? And these are each allele. And this allele term, the term of allele was proposed by that of the Bateson. Yeah, the same person. Bateson is given the term what? Allele. Clear? Next, we are dealing with that of the father of experimental genetics and human genetics. Okay. So, father of experimental genetics is T.H. Morgan. And he done the experiments in Drosophila. There are some characteristics which makes this Drosophila to make it as experimental product. Okay. And here experimental material. Okay. Then here father of human genetics. Okay. Father of human genetics. Who is father of human genetics? Yeah, Sir Archibald Garrod. Archibald. Archibald Garrod is considered to be as father of human genetics. Then the term gene and the genotype. These are terms which is important in that of the genetics, gene and genotype, and these two terms are provided by that of the Johansen. Then Carl Correns, which is already mentioned in the rediscovery of this Mendel's experiment, Carl Correns, and this Carl Correns is the father of what? Incomplete dominance. Okay, incomplete dominance. Here I am dealing with that of the short points or short tricks to memorize these or all points or concepts. Okay, I am not dealing with that of the overall concepts. It is deal by chapter. Clear? Incomplete dominance is done by who? Carl Correns. Then in multiple allelism, it is in ABO blood grouping. Okay, here genotype and phenotype are there. And how many genotype? Yeah, 6 genotype. 6 genotype and 4 phenotype. 4 phenotype. What is that? It is about physical characters. Okay. Genotype. It is about genetical constitution. If it is about any genetic character, it is named as to be genotype. If it is of physical character, okay, here which is regarding height, okay, like that. Phenotype is that. Clear? Next is about complementary gene action. It is not directly given in that of the NCERT, but it is important for that of the NEET syllabus. Complementary gene action. Now I am not mentioning anything more about that. I am only sharing the ratio in this complementary gene action. It is 9:7. And in epistasis, its ratio is 12:3:1. This should be memorized. Okay. Next is polygenic character. This is given in that of the supplementary part of the +2 textbook. Polygenic character. And this polygenic character is given by who? Nielsen Ehle. Next is about chromosomal theory of heredity. Chromosomal, so point, sorry, 6th point, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 14th point is about chromosomal theory. Chromosomal theory of heredity. Chromosomal theory of heredity is given by Sutton and Boveri. Who? Sutton and Boveri. And this arrangement of gene, okay, if it is considering what? The chromosome. The gene arrangement is given by, within this gene arrangement is given by who? T.H. Morgan. Then mapping of chromosome mapping. Another one is chromosome mapping. Chromosome map. It is by Alfred H. Stewart. Alfred H. Stewart. Okay, this is generally about the scientists and their performance in that field. Okay, next is about some chromosomal disorders, that is Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. Okay, yes. First is about Down syndrome, or otherwise 21st trisomy. Here, another chromosomal disorder like this Down syndrome is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. And here it is 44A plus XXY. Okay. Then in Turner syndrome, it is 44A plus X0. Okay, clear. Next is about what? Yeah. About some base pair, amount of base pair which is given in that of the directly given in that of the NCERT textbook, which is very useful for that of the NEET. Okay. So 5174. It is mentioned in that of the textbook. 5174 has 5386 nucleotide. Next is lambda phage. It is having 48,502 base pair. In E. coli, it is 4.6 into 10 raised to 6 base pair. And in human DNA, it is 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. These are all given base pairs, but here in 5174 it is 5386 nucleotide is present. Clear? Yes. So this is very important about this nucleotide. Next is about the chromosomal number and diseases. Now I am doing this as the last section of this video, and left other topics is given in that of the next part. Continuation of this part. Then chromosomal number and diseases. Chromosome number and disease. In NCERT text and also in some other guides, it is given in that of the splitted form. Okay, which I mentioning that here it is in that of the short form. It is Yeah, like a table. It's very simple to understand. If the chromosome number 5 is affected and its disease is named as to be Cre-Du-Chat syndrome. Cre-Du-Chat syndrome. Next one, 7. It is cystic fibrosis. 11. Sickle cell anemia. 12. Phenylketonuria. 15. Tay-Sachs syndrome. Tay-Sachs syndrome. 16. Thalassemia. 19. Myotonic dystrophy. Myotonic dystrophy. Then last one, 21st. It is Alzheimer's disease. Okay. So I just mentioning it. Then the last part of this section of the left part is given in that of the next video. Okay, thank you very much.